An unweaned kitten was stranded in the mud and street dogs were after him. Tony was rescued by a neighbor and cleaned up and posted on Nextdoor. On July 7th, 2022, Tony came into my life. This was the day after a good friend of mine had died. Yum, yummy. Is it yummy? Yummy. Ooh. Oh, I'm so happy now. I'm just in simple cat heaven. I'm so happy. My big sister Gaia is teaching me things I must learn how to be such a sweet, purring kitty cat. Yes, I'm a much older kitty cat now, but here I am, getting so much better and enjoying my little bed that Mama put on top of the piano. So I can just see everything that's going on. See you next week. Bye.